2004 to 2008 Lexus RX upgrade tutorial. Today, I'll show you how to upgrade an old Lexus RX. Here's the original console. Take a look. First, remove the gear panel trim. Then, take out the cigarette lighter panel and set it aside. No need to disconnect it. Now, unscrew the 4 screws holding the CD player and remove the unit. Disconnect all the plugs from the back of the CD player. Here, we unscrew the 2 screws securing the original screen and take out the screen. Also, unplug all the connectors from the back of the screen. Now, remove the 2 original air vents and install them on the new unit. Next, install these 2 metal parts on the new unit. Let's start with the wiring. This is the GPS antenna. Route it to the pillar in the actual installation. This is the 4G antenna. There are 2 of these. Route them to the pillar as well. This is the video input cable. This is the USB cable. There are 2 of these too. Route them to the glove compartment. This is the RCA audio cable. Now, connect the original plugs. Match the plugs by size. If there's no match, leave it unconnected. Connect the protocol box. There are 2 of these. Connect the protocol port on the new power cable to the unit. Connect the button panel plug. Connect the reverse video output plug. Plug the original radio connector into the new unit. Connect the OBD plug on the new power cable to the original socket. Finally, connect the black power plug for the screen. Once everything is connected, install and secure the new unit. Reinstall the cigarette lighter panel. Reinstall the gear panel trim. The installation is complete. Before using it, we need to set up the protocol. This allows us to use the original air conditioning, steering wheel buttons, and reverse camera. It also has many other features, supporting local music and online music apps. You can adjust the sound to your preference. You can watch local videos or use apps to stream videos like Douyin. It can automatically search for local radio stations. It supports local maps and online maps, like Gaode and Baidu. These are basic including features. Bluetooth calls and music. It supports wireless Carplay, Android Auto, and you can use the voice assistant for calls, playing music, and using other apps on your phone like Maps. That's all for this video. Check out our homepage for more videos on other car models.